What is going on, everybody? And today we are back again with another video. And today we will be covering mess kit paint and canteen cup paint. This is something I've wanted to talk about for a while because at nearly every World War II reenactment I've been to, I've always observed all the German reenactors with black canteen cups. It's few and far in between where you see another reenactor wearing this color canteen cup or this color mess kit. Usually everyone's canteen cup is black or a field gray mess kit, and one of the reasons why I believe that is because reenactors may just not know. So this video today hopefully will kind of fill some people in and make some change. So let's get started. So on April 23rd, 1941, there was an order issued to change the color of canteen cups from black to olive green and mess kits from field gray to olive green. Now don't get me wrong, black canteen cups and field gray mess kits were still in use until the end of the war. I'm not saying every single German troop after 41 had an olive green mess kit or an olive green cup. But given the fact that most reenactors portray post-June 1944, you are more than likely to have this color combination. Back to the black cups for a second. I have seen one original example of a black aluminum cup dated 1943. So yeah, I'm sure that there was some floating around later into the war. But if you're wanting a typical look for a late war German soldier, I would recommend doing the olive green. It's a very nice color, and in fact today we have an original example here we will talk about momentarily. But this is where you get the paint from. It is 1944 Militaria sells it. This is not a paid advertisement by them. This is just strictly my personal opinion and trying to help other reenactors get what is correct for their impressions. So I'm not getting paid by 1944 Military. I'm not getting anything from them by talking about this stuff. This is me just telling you where to get it. So anyway, like I said, 1944 Militaria, and the gray green, they call it, 1941 through 45 mess kit paint color. These cans of paint run around $15 a can plus shipping. I will say their shipping is a little high, because if you buy just one can of paint, you're going to be paying $12 to $15 just for shipping. So if you're going to buy paint, maybe buy some other stuff, or you know, add some stuff to your order to make the shipping worthwhile, because I think $15 for shipping this is obscene. But I bought this can of paint from a friend of mine, so I didn't directly buy it from them, so I got a good deal on it. Now what we'll talk about is the color comparison to an original German canteen cup in the olive green, which we have here. So this is a SMM 43 cup in the olive green color. So I'm going to pause the camera for a second, take this cup off, and we'll do a nice comparison. Okay, so here we have the original SMM 43 and the aluminum cup, which is marked HRE 38, and the colors are identical. Now some people may be wondering, oh, well, this cup looks different than this one. That's because this is a steel canteen cup. This is not an aluminum one. However, though, aluminum cups were painted in this color. The steel cup here, as we can see, is shorter, has different handles, and is obviously a different material. Unfortunately, nobody really reproduces steel canteen cups at this time, so aluminum is what we have to work with. And here is the original cup compared to the repainted mess kit. It's a perfect match. You will not go to Walmart, you will not go to Home Depot or any other paint store and get an off-the-shelf match. I've seen people try that. It's a waste of time. If you want to get the correct color, simply go with this. Don't waste your time and money. Don't cheap out. If you want to do it right, just do it once and you'll never have to do it again. So this is what you want to get right here. And they look fantastic. This mess kit right here, another thing I was going to mention too, well, I'm going to mention it in another video later on, is about post-war items that are acceptable for World War II reenacting. This mess kit is one I just recently did. This is a 1963 Romanian copy of the German World War II M31 mess kit. You can see the color's good. We have the correct bales. The handle is perfect. The shape is there. This is the back. Really good mess kit. The only difference between this and World War II ones, in my opinion, is just the markings, but these are underneath the equipment strap right now, so it's not even noticeable. But overall, if you are interested in getting this sort of paint, this is the place to get it, as I've said before. I will also put a link in the description for you to go directly to this paint. And we'll just take a look here for a second, let you guys get a good view of everything and see the comparisons to the original, which is right here. And it speaks for itself. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more. Give the video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.